What if I told you that 6 simple exercises could transform your body and your life? That's right, squats aren't just about leg day, they're the secret weapon to building strength, boosting flexibility, and even improving your posture. Forget the idea that you need fancy machines or endless cardio sessions. Real results come from movements that challenge your muscles, engage your core, and mimic the way you move in everyday life. And squats? They do all of that and more. Here's the thing, most people underestimate squats. Maybe they seem too basic, or maybe they're intimidating. But the truth is, mastering these 6 squat variations is like unlocking a cheat code for your fitness journey. Whether your goal is to build muscle, lose weight, or just feel more capable in your own skin, these moves are for you. From strengthening your legs to improving balance and even helping prevent injuries, each squat brings unique benefits that ripple through your entire body. And here's a little incentive to stick around. The final exercise is a bonus, a simple yet powerful move that could be the ultimate game changer for your workouts. Curious? Let's dive in and start with the foundation that every great workout is built on. Bodyweight squat, the foundation squat. The bodyweight squat might seem basic, but it's the unsung hero of fitness. Think about it, you're training your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core all at once without needing any equipment. This move doesn't just build strength, it works on your flexibility and endurance too. Picture yourself standing up from a low chair. Yep, that's a squat in disguise. If you've been skipping leg day, starting with bodyweight squats is like giving your lower body a fresh start, setting the foundation for everything else. Now, here's the beauty of bodyweight squats, they fit into your day like a good cup of coffee. Waiting for the kettle to boil? Knock out a quick set. Watching TV? Drop into a squat during commercials. It's about finding those little pockets of time where movement replaces stillness. Plus, they're adaptable. Tweak your stance to target different muscle groups, whether you're hitting those inner thighs or dialing up the glute engagement. The more you play with the technique, the more you discover its versatility. And don't forget the importance of engaging your core during every rep. Contracting your abs isn't just about looking toned, it stabilizes your spine, protects your lower back, and improves balance throughout the movement. It's like activating your body's internal support system, allowing you to execute squats with better form and more power. If this simple move can lay such a solid foundation, imagine what's possible when we step it up a notch. Let's explore the next level. Bulgarian split squat, unilateral power move. The Bulgarian split squat might sound fancy, but it's all about practicality and results. This move targets one leg at a time, honing in on your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while improving hip stability. Think of it as the ultimate fix for muscle imbalances, because let's face it, we all have that one leg that feels stronger than the other. By isolating each side, you're not just building strength, you're laying the groundwork for better symmetry and injury prevention. Now, let's be real for a second. I know, for many, this is one of the worst exercises out there. Burning muscles, shaky legs, constant wobbles, yeah, it's a struggle. But trust me, it's also one of the best squat variations you'll ever do. Once you embrace the pain, and maybe swear at it a little, the rewards are worth every second. This exercise doesn't just challenge your legs, it builds resilience, both physical and mental. Plus, there's nothing quite like that post-workout glow when you conquer it. Here's the kicker, balance is a big part of this exercise. Standing with one foot elevated behind you forces your core to step up and stabilize your entire body. Remember that tip about contracting your abs? This is where it shines. Engaging your core here keeps you steady, prevents wobbles, and ensures proper alignment. And if you're short on equipment, grab a chair at home, just make sure it's sturdy. Ready to lift things up a notch? Let's grab some weight with our next squat variation. Goblet squat, the weighted all-rounder. The goblet squat is the perfect step up for anyone looking to add a little weight and a lot of impact to their training. Holding a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest, the squat variation not only targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes but also engages your core and lower back like never before. It's like strength training meets real life, because lifting something heavy off the ground? That's a skill we use more often than we think. Here's the thing about the goblet squat, it's surprisingly forgiving for beginners while still challenging for seasoned lifters. The weight placement in front of your body helps keep your posture upright, reducing strain on your lower back. Plus, it's a fantastic way to practice proper squat form, ensuring your knees track over your toes and your heels stay glued to the floor. Oh, and let's not forget, it gives your arms a sneaky workout too, just from holding the weight. The real magic of the goblet squat lies in how it boosts overall functional fitness. By strengthening your core and lower body simultaneously, it improves balance, stability, and coordination, all while mimicking real-world movements like lifting heavy bags or carrying groceries. It's a no-nonsense, practical exercise that leaves you feeling stronger and more capable. Ready to step things up even more? Let's step sideways, literally, with a squat variation that unlocks next-level mobility. Cossack squat, the mobility master. The Cossack squat is not just a workout, it's a game-changer for your hips and inner thighs. This lateral squat variation forces you to shift your weight from side to side, targeting muscles that often get overlooked in traditional squats. It's like giving your legs a full-range tune-up, improving flexibility, mobility, and strength in one go. Plus, if you've ever felt stiff after sitting for too long, this movement can help loosen up those tight spots and make daily activities feel effortless. What sets the Cossack squat apart is how it builds lateral strength. Most exercises focus on forward or upward motions, but life doesn't always move in straight lines. Think about it, whether you're pivoting on the basketball court, dodging someone in a crowded gym, or just trying to pick something up from an awkward angle, lateral strength matters. The Cossack squat trains your body to handle these real-world scenarios with ease and confidence. But don't rush it, this move requires control and precision. Keep your core engaged, yes, those abs again, to stay balanced, and focus on going as deep as your flexibility allows. Over time, you'll notice improved range of motion and better alignment in your hips and knees. And just when you think your lower body is ready for anything, wait until you try the next challenge, mastering the single leg squat. Pistol squat, the single leg challenge. The pistol squat is the ultimate test of strength, balance, and control. This single leg squat doesn't just work your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, it engages every stabilizing muscle in your lower body and core. It's the kind of move that demands precision, like threading a needle, but with your entire body. If you've ever doubted your coordination or balance, this exercise will challenge you to rise to the occasion, one leg at a time. What makes the pistol squat so special is its ability to highlight weaknesses you didn't even know you had. That wobble you feel? It's your body learning to recruit stabilizers and correct imbalances. Don't worry if you can't go all the way down on your first try, use a chair or a box to support yourself as you build the necessary strength and flexibility. Progression is key, and every inch closer to the floor is a victory worth celebrating. Beyond the gym, the benefits of the pistol squat are undeniable. Imagine climbing stairs, carrying heavy bags, or even recovering from a slip with newfound confidence and control. This exercise gives you the kind of strength that translates directly to your daily life. But if you thought balancing on one leg was tough, wait until we introduce an isometric challenge that's all about endurance and grit. Let's dive into the next move. Wall sit, the endurance builder. We've made it to the bonus exercise, one that packs a serious punch despite its simplicity. The wall sit might look easy at first glance, but don't be fooled. This isometric gem pushes your quads, hamstrings, and glutes to their limits while demanding rock-solid focus from your core. It's not about reps or sets, it's about holding your ground and proving to yourself you've got what it takes. If you've ever wanted to push your mental and physical endurance, this is the way to do it. What's great about the wall sit is how versatile it is. You can use it as a standalone finisher or combine it with other lower body exercises like leg press for an extra burn. Imagine blasting through a heavy set of leg presses and immediately dropping into a wall sit to cap it off. Your muscles will be on fire, but they'll thank you later. It's a killer combo for building both strength and endurance in your lower body. And yes, I know, those final seconds feel like your legs are pleading for mercy, shaking with every heartbeat. But pushing through that discomfort is where the magic happens. You're not just strengthening your body, you're sharpening your mind to handle challenges. Start with 30 seconds and work your way up to longer holds as you get stronger. Now that you have these 6 squat variations in your arsenal, it's time to put them into practice. Like any successful workout, the key is consistency and proper execution. So, what's your next move? Are you going to add these variations to your workout today or wait until tomorrow? Don't put off what can transform your body right now. Try the exercises, feel the difference, and see how your legs and your confidence transform. Did you feel the results? Which squat variation challenged you the most? Comment below and share with your friends who also need these tips to reach their dream body. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to keep learning more about how to build a strong, healthy physique. Let's do this together on this journey.